Hello, ESL teachers and students. Get ready for an exciting team challenge. Today, we're playing Team Boggle, a fast-paced game that will boost your vocabulary and spelling skills. Boggle is a word game where you find as many words as possible in a grid of letters. In our team version, you'll work together to find words and write them on the board. The goal is to find more words than the other teams. For this game, you'll need a whiteboard with a Boggle grid outline, markers for each team, and a timer. Divide your class into 2 to 3 teams. Have each team line up facing the board. Here are the rules to play this game. Words must be at least 3 letters long. Letters must be connected horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. You cannot skip letters or use the same letter cube more than once in a word. The timer will be set for 3 minutes. Each team has 3 minutes to write down as many words as they can find. Here's how to play this game. When the timer starts, the first student in each team will run to the board and write down a word they find. Then, they'll pass the marker to the next student in their team. When the timer stops, we'll review the words on the board. Each valid word earns 1 point. Here are some tips to play this game. Prepare a relevant grid. Fill the grid with letters matching your lesson's vocabulary. Clear rules and time management. Don't forget to explain rules clearly and use a visible timer. Teamwork and communication. Make sure your students work together to find words and check spellings. Review and learn. After the game, review words and reinforce vocabulary for all. Team Boggle is a fantastic way to make vocabulary and spelling practice fun and competitive. Try it in your classroom and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ESL game ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.